everybody in Facebook world. This is Myra Eagle with eXp Realty with special guest David Young from Cardinal Financial. Hi, David.
Hey Myra, how's it going today?
Good. Happy National Take Your Dog to Work Day.
Really? That's pretty awesome. Since we all work from home, that I guess it's a little bit easier than it used to be, huh?
That's not hard to do at all today. I love working from home. How about you?
Oh, I absolutely adore it. I get to wear polos instead of suits now. It's great, and we get the comfort of our own place, so it's nice. Although after a while, the four walls kind of close in on you a little bit. I miss seeing other humans, so face to face.
Windows. Walk outside a little.
I've been doing a lot of video conferencing with my different clients, and it's been a lot of fun. So, with the screen share technology that we have, it's pretty cool because like some of those other videos that we shot. That if you're watching this video, you should check out some of Myra's other videos. We shot some pretty awesome videos with some screen shares and rope your zone and all that other cool stuff. So I've been doing a lot of that with the clients lately, and they love it because they can. I had a guy sitting at a dealership waiting for his car to be done. He's got his iPad up and he's just watching the. I was doing a video on how to take the money that you saved from refinancing and reinvest that into stock and investment properties. And he had no idea. He's like, "I can buy investment properties with the. I thought that you had to have like all cash or you needed all this other stuff." I'm like, "No way! Like, this is the best retirement fund, and this is why." And he's like, "Oh my goodness! Like, I can see why people are retiring early off of investment properties." So,
yes.
But that's a topic for a different day, right? So
yes, it is. You got a great mortgage tip today, don't you, David?
yeah. So in this realm of post-COVID world, a lot of people are saying, "Hey, I want to buy a house. I've saved up a little bit of money in the bank, but I don't have the 20% that most big banks want to put down." And I'm like, "Well, you don't need 20%." And they're like, "Well, yes, I just went to insert lender, big bank there, right? And they told me I needed a ton of money down." I literally just approved a young couple who had almost nothing to put down, but they had decent credit. They didn't have the best credit in the world, right? And they were turned down by the big banks and told that they had to wait at least 2 years. Yeah. And now they're out looking for a $358,000 home. And you might ask, this isn't your $50,000 whatever that they're looking at. I mean, these are first-time home buyers. This is really, they haven't been that established in their careers yet. They've got minimal amount to put down. So how does something like this happen, right?
Right.
And so a lot of people say, well, it must be down payment assistance programs. Like, Dave's got some secret down payment assistance programs. And we do have down payment assistance programs, but 9 times out of 10, that's not the best choice for the customer long term, right? So we've got programs that you can put 3% down, and it's conventional. We've got government programs at 3.5% down. We've got, of course, government programs at 100% financing. But to get the best amount, you really want to do, let's take an FHA that we offer, right, for the first-time home buyers. Now, not all lenders will offer this type of a program. They should, but they don't. Where you can get gifts from relatives or from a fiance or whatever for the down payment. Then you team up with an amazing realtor like Myra, and Myra's going to get the sellers to pay for the closing costs, right, and the prepaids, and the taxes, and the insurance. Does that mean that you'll be able to negotiate 20 grand off the price and make them pay for everything? Probably not. But a lot of times, if you give them a full price offer, or sometimes we can even give an above price offer and then pay back the difference. And now you're into the home with very minimal money out of pocket. So, it's true, yes, if you go to the big box lenders, and I mean, we're mid-range lenders. We're not like one of the tiny people that have very little resources, but we also don't have all the red tape that the big box lenders have, right? And I know, because I spent a decade at a big box lender, and sometimes the stuff that they require is just like, whoa. So, but us as a mid-range lender, and we don't sell off the loans that we have. For 90% of the loans that we originate, we hold on to. So we offer programs that aren't necessarily out there that are, highly advertised. And so I would encourage you, if you're watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, I want to upgrade my home, I want to stop wasting money on renting. I just always had a dream of having my dream house, whatever. Then give Myra a call. Like, you need to really reach out to her and find out what's available to you, because literally we can tailor something for your needs, right? Does that mean you might have to save a little bit or take your next stimulus check and apply that to your down payment? Sure. But there's so many different avenues that we have to help with that.
Yeah,
so
avenues.
yeah, avenues. Sorry,
That's working from home.
That's working from home. People knocking on the doors. I got 3 family members staring me down while I'm shooting a video. That's working from home.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh my.
So So I mean, that's really the big thing. You need to call Myra. You need to find out what options you have that are available to you, because the down payment assistance might not be the best option. Maybe it is. Renting, waiting, that just never seems to be the best option. You know what I'm saying? The people who wait are the people who get to retirement and are like, oh my goodness, I never lived my dream because I waited. You know what I'm saying? So we want to capture that while we can.
They are right now. Why wait?
I love the old Chinese proverb: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, today.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. So check into it, because we've got a lot of ways that we can, subsidize that with as little as 3% down, and that 3%, maybe 3.5% as a gift if we need to do that. Lots of cool options.
Oh, that sounds like a good plan. It sounds like an easy way for a renter to get out of paying the landlord's mortgage and start on their own future investment.
Yes, exactly. So, well, Myra, thanks again for allowing me the time to kind of chat a little bit and help you educate the team. Sorry for the distractions. You gotta love working from home. It's always good. And cheers to all of the rest of you who are working from home today.
Thanks, David. We enjoyed all the information. We'll see you all next week for Mortgage Tip of the Week.
Okay, thank you so much.